Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the street light, which has normal features like other street lights, but it has additional feature as its inbuilt solar panel will charge the batteries and it will give the automatic sensor to light up night time. So if you see the box right here, flex box, so this is the flex box and it's LED lights and the street lights of up to 40 watts it's showing here. So how it came, right? So we have ordered for my home purpose. So if you see the product package, right? So this is the package how they have packed the product. So it's so many bubbles cover is attached in this, so many layers to give some strong protection. So it is packed like this. So if you see here, remove this. If you remove this, Flex company branding name is provided here. Smart lighting solution is here, and here how much watts is given, and what is the features like ultra effective LED savings up to 80% of energy. No harmful radiations are coming from here. Strong aluminum household housing is provided. Cool warm light also provided in this. So these are the side given details. So if you open this totally, కింద bottom. Hardly tried to pull this out from outside to make it come out. So thanks friend. So this is the Flex company's box. Same product I have bought for two items, so front and back side of my house. So let's show this. So if you open this inside, right? So what is the inside the product is looks like is like this. So one more item also provided here. So yeah, this is useful for tightening the screws. So and this is the main product. It's covered with cover. So if you take out of from this cover, right? So this is the item. So top side we have solar panel inbuilt. So and here we have the rod placement. So it has a big size. It's around 1.5 inch, more than 1.5 inch, and you can change this height, and if you want to, if you have much radius rod inbuilt in your house, front side and back side. So much noise is coming, maybe something damaged, so I put the return of this product, so I will get a new one. And here is the sensor required. So here one sensor is required, and this is the automatic sensor, so it will detect the movement of the persons. It will detect the day and night positions. So this is the on and off switch. If I on this switch, it will lighting up. So we have make it turn downward, right? So it's thinking that it's totally dark now, so that's why it's keep on charging. So it's not charging right now, though that's the reason it is glowing the lights. So if we make it towards the light, right? So now it's turned off. That means if the solar panels getting any light, right, on that solar panels, so it will automatically stop the lighting. If it's totally dark, then the lights will start blinking. You see, so this much lag is there, that's it. So it will start like that. So I have already installed in my front side of the house. I will show you how it's looks like. I don't know you can see or not, but see, this is the way. So yeah, it's good looking. Night time already I have used this product. So first time it's glowing in a little bit light mode. After that it will, if anyone move near to the location, right, so it will automatically glow much light. So I can say half the lights will blink in normal time. If sensor is detected, 2 lights will blink, like that I can say. So before this item blink, right, it will say that I will ready to see, red color is indicator is coming, right? So it will showing that I'm going to blink the lights. So it is giving the indicating in red color. Yeah, that's it, the product details. If you want to buy this product, it's available. I bought for 3,700 rupees each one. It's useful, power saving mode also, so it's totally using the natural energy. If you like the video, please like and share the video. If you need any more like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Signing off.